Samsung is right at the top when it comes to the smartphone camera. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is arguably the best camera phone of 2022, providing an overall great experience. Doesn't matter if you're taking photos from the main camera or the zoom camera. Now it looks like the Galaxy S23 Ultra will take that to even greater height, as we have some amazing news regarding its camera, its low light capability, video recording and much more. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 renders just tip new design, and Samsung may not have abandoned its own Exynos chips for the Galaxy S23 after all. The most recent leaker consensus on the Galaxy S23 series chip was that it would have this Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 worldwide, a theory seemingly supported by comments from Qualcomm's own leadership. However, the presence of the new Exynos silicon in the Bluetooth register suggests Samsung still intends to release the chip, which could suggest some Galaxy S23 handsets will use the new in-house Samsung chip instead. Currently, Samsung splits its Galaxy as phones chipsets depending on where you buy them. USA customers buying the currently available Galaxy S22 will get a Snapdragon processor version, due to a pre-existing agreement with Samsung to use its chips in that market, whereas the global version of the Galaxy S22 series comes with Samsung's Exynos 2200 chipset, arguably the poor quality chip of the two due to its lower performance scores. Perhaps the rumors of Snapdragon chips worldwide in the Galaxy S23 series are accurate. A report from last month still suggests an Exynos-powered Galaxy S23 series is not ruled out, despite disappointment from in-house Exynos chips from Samsung MX Mobile Experience division. But for consumers who have had to grapple with Exynos-powered models elsewhere, this new development sounds promising. Moving on, for those who still have doubts that Samsung is ditching Exynos and going all in with Snapdragon chips worldwide for the S23, here's another confirmation from Qualcomm's chief financial officer, where he mentions that Samsung will increase the usage of Snapdragon chips from 75% on the Galaxy S22 to 100% on the Galaxy S23, which is good news for folks over at Europe. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.